I'm stuck in Sulawesi. I cannot go to other island and I don't really know what to do. Hey, so Simon here. I'm finally driving out of Makassar and going to the Bira port. Welcome to the travel life. So basically the situation is I want to go from Sulawesi to Flores. I don't really care which port or which town from because I have a car and I can just drive. But the issue is like from Makassar, from the biggest city, there are multiple ferries, but none of them is for cars. And the only way you have to go is to go from the Bira port, which is like a day drive from Makassar, so not that far. So I get in touch with this company that's running this ferry and they told me the boat is under maintenance and it wouldn't go until like start of October, so I don't know. Where are you going? Fuck's sake. Crazy people. I tried to search for a different option how to get there, and I noticed there is like multiple small islands like Selayar and Jumbo something, I don't know. And I thought it's like different ferries, different boat and maybe different companies, so I asked about that, but it seems it's all just the same boat, only making multiple stops on one journey, and that boat is currently on the shore under maintenance. I'm on my way to Bira now and I want to see the port for myself and figure out how it looks like, because yeah, it's always better to talk in person. I'm not sure I can get many better information, but the other option is just go to Selayar Island. I think that should be possible. Hi, so I'm almost at Bira, but just on the side of the road I saw the sign ASDP, that's the ferry company. I think they have some offices here or maybe a ticketing office, so maaf. Selamat sore.
Hello.
Hello. Speak English?
Hello.
Right, so this was a very good idea to stop here. Like there was this guy that spoke very good English and he was very helpful. The boat to Flores is under maintenance, as I know, but he said it can go on the 6th of October and the tickets are sold only the day before. So yeah, I will make plans later, and today to Selayar I cannot go, I can go only in the morning. The guy came out of the office running to my car just to give me a little bit more information, and he actually bought me the ticket, and usually they are not allowed to do it, but his boss said he can do it, so I paid for the ticket. It was 600, so I'm going to Selayar tomorrow morning, and today I think I'm just gonna camp somewhere on the beach, and he gave me a little bit more information about the ferry to Flores, and it's basically like I suspected, but yeah, it takes a long time and I'm not really sure it's gonna fit with my schedule. But yeah, what I wanted to say is like the experience was very nice. Like compared to the Philippines ferry, this is like incredible. I mean, like the people are super friendly and knowledgeable. They actually know what they are doing and they know when their boats go, so that's very good, very good. This is the first thing I'm impressed with Indonesia, that something works. Anyway, I'm going to the port now just to see how the boat is looking and to see the way how I'm gonna go in the morning, because I'm probably gonna go there when it's still night. So yeah, but I'm quite happy with this. This was good. This Balibo boat is the boat that we're gonna take tomorrow, that goes to the Selayar Island. This is the boat that goes to Jambel, and the further one behind, that's the one that goes to the West Sulawesi. So yeah, I don't really see the boat that goes to Flores. I think it's not here. It's probably looking somewhere else. So I cannot help them to make the maintenance quicker because I don't know where it is. It's super hot now. I need to go to the shade somewhere and probably find a place to stay for tonight because I'm leaving tomorrow. So
Mau bedek mau. Yes.
okay, I think I'm home. This is this is beautiful. I found some random beach. The car over there. I'm just gonna find some nice spots without the coconut and yeah, go for a swim and watch the sunset. This is like incredibly beautiful. Like except the trash and plastic bottles like everywhere, but wow, this is really nice, really nice. I think I'm gonna be able to sleep in peace and quiet finally here. No chickens, no mosque prayers, no people. This would be great. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, I'm not really a beach person, but yeah, this is magnificent. It's just